Hey everybody, it is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. I have been on a mission to find you guys the most weirdest, craziest, unique crochet patterns that I could get my hands on. And today we're going to focus on bags and purses. Okay, so this first one is this burger, and I thought this was super funny. It looks like a lot of work. I have no clue, honestly, where you would wear this, but I think that kids would get a big kick out of this. Maybe like a family barbecue or something, but it's free, and I thought it was hilarious, so I had to share it. Okay, and this one, this like Slurpee icy thing or whatever, is just so awesome and fun. I love the twisted top at the top, so it looks like, you filled it up. I just think it's so clever. You can do it any flavor and, carry this with you on that 7-Eleven day, right? And it's free. Okay, this strawberry milk box bag is just the cutest thing ever. I have never seen anything like this. It is just so unique and sweet looking. This is just darling, and I love the little book that's on it. I love everything about this. It looks like a lot of work, but I am so surprised that it is free. It is so cute. Okay, and this is a VHS tape purse. And this takes me back in time. And I would probably do it in different colors. I would probably do the blue, black, because I feel like it's supposed to be black. But I love this idea in the concept. And oh my gosh, you could do like your favorite movie in the center of it. I think that would be so clever. I love this. This is just so funny and just nostalgic. I had to share this. And it's free. Okay, and this dragon hand purse is weirdly unique. Okay, I would maybe add like some scales to it or something. I'm not sure, but I think it is perfect as it is. Maybe for Halloween or something, you could do it in like black. I don't know. I just thought this was crazy unique and I had to share it with you guys because, like I said, I've never seen anything like this. This is just out there, man. Okay, and this is a genius idea. Everybody knows how that blanket with the roses was going completely viral this last year. And if you made it, you could turn it into a purse. How clever is that? That is so smart. I love this idea and it looks pretty easy. It's just a way that you fold it. And I just had to share this because I know that blanket went viral this last year and I just thought this was such a clever idea. So I had to share it. Okay, and this is our first paid pattern, and this one is $7, but I think it is very much worth the price. I love this idea. It is very well done. It is just such a conversation starter. I absolutely love this. I love this. This would be great for Halloween or honestly just any time of the year because who doesn't love this? Very much worth the price. Okay. And this one is $5.40 and it is out there. This is a toaster. It's a toaster bag. It is absolutely hilarious. I have no clue where you would wear this. Maybe out to breakfast or something. Yeah, never seen anything like this. It's got all the little dials and everything and just the flap and it's hilarious. I had to share this in here. Definitely worth the price, right? That looks like a lot of work. It is just so unique. Okay, and this is $6.70 and this is the funniest thing ever. Okay, this is a giant toe. What would you use this for? Maybe like, well, definitely in summer, right? So like maybe the beach or something. I have no idea. I thought it was hilarious. Okay. Like I said, there's a lot of these that are just so funny and unique and just like, I don't know. I feel like maybe some of them fall into the category of just because you can doesn't mean you should. But I love this one. I think it's just so unique. I had to add it. I mean, look at it. Okay. And another really funny one. This is $6.70. This is super funny, very clever. I have no idea where you would wear the shrimp bag. I've never. I- what can I say about this bag? I mean, look at it. It's a shrimp bag. I don't even know. I had to add it. Like I said, I had a lot of fun coming up with these purses and bags, finding these for you, and it's so funny. Okay, but this one is very sweet. And this is $6, and I love the look of this. It's an awesome idea. I just love that the neck is the strap, and you know how swans like bend their neck back and go to sleep in themselves. That's totally what it's looking like for me. I love it. It's very sweet, and I have no idea where you would wear it, but it is very unique, and I had to include it because look at it. It's a swan bag. Where would you wear this? Okay, this is inspired by Wednesday and it is very free. And I'm very surprised that it is free. I love this idea. I love black and rainbow together. I just love that. And don't kill me, but I've never seen the movie. Halloween, that kind of stuff is just not my vibe. But I do love this bag. I love black and rainbow together. I think when I saw like the window that was, half rainbow and half that represents the window, right, from the movie, that was like my favorite thing ever. And I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I think this one is called like Mother of Dragon dice bag, and it is like a dice bag, but you could totally use this as like a little phone purse or whatever. It's a cute little drawstring bag, and I love the scales to it. So, and this is what I was talking about, maybe adding like some sort of scales like this to that dragon bag before. But either way, I love it. I thought it was very unique. Okay, this one is $6 and it is very cute. It looks like a lot of work went into this. It looks definitely worth the $6 for sure. And I think a lot of people love frogs, so I could see this being pretty popular. Either way, I love it. Okay, this one is cute and funny. This little chicken purse thing, I'm not sure where you would wear it, but maybe if you live on a farm, you could put little dividers in it and carry eggs with it or something. Or maybe like take it to a farmer's market or something. I think a lot of people would love this if they saw it. Very cute. And this one is also $6. And I love the little white balls that are on those. I'm not sure if those are like felt balls or like pom poms that they put on those, but I love this idea. It's very cute, very unique. It's very sweet. So I had to include it. Okay, and this one, I'm very surprised it's free. Okay, I love the colors, I love the stitch, I love everything about this bag, even the flap that comes down. It's very beautiful, and it says knitting patterns on the bottom of it, but obviously this is crochet. If you're a crocheter, you can tell this is crochet, but I love this bag. It is just, I would be playing with it all day, up and down the sides of it for sure. Oh my gosh, and this one just brings me back, okay? I love this idea. I'm surprised it's free, honestly. I would definitely do this little camera in like different colors maybe, but you could like maybe use it as like a camera bag or a phone bag or maybe even just as like a purse. Either way, I love it. It's free. I just think this is so unique. I love a little camera bag. It's very cute. Okay, and this little owl purse I think is a great purse for kids. I made something similar to this for my daughter when she was about 3 years old, and she loved it. She was obsessed with owls. The eyes that I made were not as cute as these eyes. I love the eyes on this one very much better, but I will hunt down a picture of the person I made my daughter and show you because it was very similar. And this was like one of the first bags I ever made. Yeah, I love it. It's very cute. Okay, this one is $7.50. Okay, and I'm not surprised it's paid. Look at it. It's definitely worth the price. I think this would be great for any of the upcoming holidays, like, Thanksgiving or Christmas. Imagine walking up with this little pie during Thanksgiving at a family gathering. I think it's so cute. Definitely a conversation starter. I love it. Okay, and this next one is $4.75, and it is a pickle slice purse. And I think this is absolutely hilarious. Okay, I think this would be great for like anybody. I mean, there's plenty of people out there who are like obsessed with pickles. I feel like it's either like a love or a hate thing. But any pregnant ladies, go give them this purse. This is hilarious. Or maybe like this would be like a great gag gift for anybody who loves pickles. Okay. I have no idea where you would wear this, but I thought it was hilarious when I saw it. I was like, are you serious? You can make anything, man. Oh my goodness. Okay. And this one is $3.60. Well worth the price. This is hilarious. Brings me back to my childhood, having to get up and go change the channel because remotes were not a thing back then. Oh my gosh. I love this. I absolutely love this. If you know what this is, you know what this is. This is when the TV would go out of signal back in the day. Oh my gosh, I can't even. This is hilarious. Definitely worth the money. I love this idea. It's hilarious. Okay, and this one is free, and I love the look of this. I love that it's not like just straight across, with the little seeds and everything. I love that it gives it some design across the seeds in the green part of the watermelon. Maybe this would be good for like a pool or a beach day, anything like that. I love this. I love this. Definitely giving me summer. Definitely giving me summer vibes. Jeez. Okay, and this one is $4.70. I'm not surprised it's paid. It looks like a lot of work, definitely. It's very cute. I could see any little kid loving this. I didn't say all these bags were going to be for adults, but I love this idea. Maybe for like sleepovers or something like that. You could pack up their little bag for grandmas or something. It's absolutely cute. And this one is also $4.70, and I believe it is by the same person as the dinosaur. But honestly, I like the hippo better. Definitely a lot of work for but for something so cute, definitely worth it. I love this. It's so cute. I wonder how heavy it would be though with that head on the back of it when it was full. I don't know. Either way, I think it's cute. And this pineapple purse, is definitely cute. I feel I have a lot of feelings about this bag. It's free. It is a shell stitch, so pretty easy to do. I think that the eyes add such a cute touch to it, honestly. And I'm not sure if they added blush to it. I know some people do that. I'm not sure about the green part at the top. I feel like with the green part at the top and the shape of the pineapple, it's giving like onion, like radish onion type vibes. I feel like maybe it should be a little taller, right? So if I were to do this, I would definitely make it a little bit taller. Oh my gosh. Okay. And this one is $10. It is a steep price, but definitely worth it. There's a lot of work that goes into this. If you don't know what this is, I can't help you. If you know, you know. Okay, this is a Tamagotchi. And I lived for these when I was a child. I mean, this was like the coolest thing ever. When these came out, this was like the first. This thing was awesome. It's like this little creature that lived in this little thing. And then, or, it's like yeah, it's like the first digital game we had besides a Game Boy, and it was like you fed it and you got to play with it and you keep your little creature alive. I loved it. Oh, this is like my childhood in a bag. Okay, $10 worth the price in my opinion. This is like the most expensive pattern I've ever showed. But look at this bag. You walk around with this and this is just people are going to be like, "Oh my gosh." Because if you just know, if you know, you know. Okay, and this one is $7.66, and it is creepy but cute, perfect for Halloween. Little dripping eyeballs. Do you think it's worth the price? I think it's kind of worth the price to know how to make that. Definitely, because you could, once you know how to do that square, you could turn it into anything, right? And the colors on this are perfect. I would maybe do black, but purple and green, these are definite Halloween colors. So definitely go check this one out. Okay, and I used to be a little obsessed with dice. Not as bad as the rubber ducks, but I still love dice. I don't know what it is. I just love all kinds of different dice, and so I kind of gravitated towards this bag. But I think it is definitely a great purse. You could use this for like game day or like travel games, to keep all the pieces together. I love this idea. I would probably make this if. Oh, I could like make this to keep all my dice in. I might do that. This one is $7.98, and I am not surprised it's paid. It is so funny and so cute. So, like, the market bag that comes down is like the alien beam that's coming down to get you. I thought this was hilarious. I don't think that the alien comes with it. So, if you want to like add a little alien that goes in there, I think you might have to look that up separately. But this is like the best 3D market bag I have seen. I have an idea for a market bag that I want to do that like comes out of the thing like that too. I love 3D market bags. I think those are like the best, cutest things ever. This one is just hilarious. I love it. I can't even get over this. I think that the green is like the perfect color. I love it. Hilarious. Okay. If you watched my coaster video, you know what I'm about to say. This is the Friends door bag, and I think it needs a peephole. I love this idea. I love everything about Friends. I honestly do. I love all things Friends, but I feel like if you're going to do the door, it needs a peephole, okay? But I love this idea. It's just so fun. And it's free. I'm like so surprised that this one is free. Definitely worth it, right? Worth it. Okay, and this one is a YouTube tutorial, and I think I, along with you guys, am probably really thankful for that because the videos are a lot easier to follow. And this looks like it might be a little complicated, but I love this bag. I love the 3D aspect to it. I'm surprised it's free, and I think it's just beautiful. I think this is really cute. I mean, I honestly feel like you could wear this at any age. I might rock this one summer day. My daughter could rock this, honestly. I love it. Okay, and this one, I am very surprised this one is free, okay? This shell bag is just so sweet looking. I love the colors. This would be like great for beach day, honestly. I could see you wearing this with like a dress or like jeans and little sandals. I love this. And you could do it in so many different colors. I think the colors that they chose for this were perfect though, like the pastels, absolutely perfect. And this mermaid bag is also very unique. I love the flap to it, okay? And I think that's the chevron stitch. I'm not very sure. I think it is very unique and pretty large for being free. Like, that is awesome. But I love this bag. I think this would be great for any girl, starter purse. Okay. And this one is hilarious. Okay. I couldn't even when I saw this. This is $4. This is so unique. I've never seen anything like this. This is, I think it's called like the utterly perfect bag. I forget exactly what it's called. It's like utterly something. And it's just hilarious. I love this bag. I have no idea where you would wear this. If you would wear it to like a farmer's market or something. I think it's hilarious though. Definitely worth the $4. Okay, this one is $5, and I'm absolutely not surprised it is paid. I just feel like maybe it needs a little bit more shape to it. And I'm not sure if you could you do the strings? I feel like if you did strings coming up to the top of it, like even if it was like chains that you stitched to it or something, that it would just bring it all together and make it so much more better. But I love this idea because any guitar lover, I mean, this is great. You could do it in any color. And I think it's great. I honestly do. I just feel like it needs to be adjusted a little bit. Okay, and this one is hilarious. It is $6.50. This is just hilarious and unique. Okay, I personally am a little obsessed with bacon. I think the heart waffle is cute. I would probably do a square waffle though, just because it's a waffle. But I definitely think that it looks like it's like blueberry or chocolate chip waffle, which is a great aspect to it too. I love the butter as well. I made a little plate with pancakes and butter and syrup on it and turned it into a keychain and gave it to my waitress at IHOP. And she was over the moon. She thought it was hilarious. But I love this. Like I said, I would definitely do it in a square. Okay, in this one, I am very surprised it's free. I love the scale pattern because it looks so beautiful when it's finished. I love the variegated yarn. You could use any beautiful variegated yarn like this, and I absolutely love this. It's very unique. I just absolutely love it. I'm very surprised it's free. It's gorgeous. Okay, and again with the awesome free bags. Okay, this is a peacock bag, and I love this look. Peacocks are just so beautiful. Okay, you could wear this anywhere, and I could imagine, like, imagine if it was done with like a black outline and like blues and greens. I think that would be best, honestly. But I love all the different colors that they even did with this because you could do it in so many colors. I love it. I absolutely love it, and I'm so surprised it's free. It's gorgeous. Okay, corner to corner. Everybody loves corner to corner, right? Because it just works up so fast. But I love this idea. This is a cassette tape, and it just brings me back to my teenage years, just listening to the radio and trying to wait for your favorite song to record it. Are you old enough to remember doing that? Because I definitely remember doing that. I love this idea. I love it. I have no idea what you would put in it. It looks pretty big. I mean, imagine you could even turn this into a pillow, honestly. I know it's a bag, but you could turn this into a pillow and I think it would be great. I love it. Okay, and this one is $5 and it's giving me like Rainbow Bright vibes, absolutely, but I love it. I love the cloud that goes on top and I'm pretty sure it like goes up and down. And I just love the idea of this bag. It's just super cute. It's gorgeous. I want to give a special shout out to my sister, Amelia. She was the first person to join my Happy Hookers Club. And you get, I'm looking over here because I have it on my wall. You get everything included into the chain gang, which gives you special emojis to use, loyalty badges, and like priority replying to comments. But plus, if you join the Happy Hookers membership, you get early access to new videos, member only polls, and member shout outs. So she is the first person to join. And I just want to say thank you, Amelia. That is so sweet. I love the support that my mom and my sister has given me. They watch all of my videos, and I honestly probably wouldn't be here if they weren't watching all my videos in the beginning and just hyping them up. And I really appreciate all you guys' support, and I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun looking up these patterns, and I have a lot more weird videos coming up for you guys. I'm going to spread them out though because Christmas is coming. But yeah, I have really enjoyed looking up the weird patterns, and not all of these are weird. They're very unique, weird, silly, and just I don't even know. I love the patterns in this video. I had a lot of fun doing this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have a market coming up real soon, and I just signed up for another one in November. So 2 markets within a month of each other. I'm super nervous about that. So stay tuned for some market prep videos. Been working really hard for you guys and crocheting up a storm. I just finished this little loaf cat, and he's got to get a little tail, and he's almost done. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. And remember, above all else, that Jesus loves you.